Looking to add templates to your Instagram story? It's super easy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to our latest video. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add templates to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, click the plus icon at the top right of your profile to bring up a new screen. From here, select Story. Now, you'll see photos and videos from your device. At the top, find the Templates option. Here, you can browse a variety of templates for your story. Choose the one that fits your style. I'm picking this mobile device template. Once you've selected your template, you can either take a new picture, record a video, or upload from your gallery. To upload, just tap the image icon and select a photo or video from your device. And look at that. Your story now has a fresh and stylish new look. Feel free to add personal touches like text, emojis, or music to make it even more unique. When you're happy with how it looks, tap your story to share it with your friends and followers. Now your followers can enjoy your fantastic Instagram story featuring a cool template.